Last month, a pilot of a light aircraft was found guilty by a jury in the Brisbane District Court of dangerous operation of a motor vehicle, an aircraft, causing death and grievous bodily harm. The aircraft was approaching a beach where it was going to land when the engine failed. In response, the pilot turned the aircraft to the left, which caused an aerodynamic stall and a crash. Tragically, one passenger was killed while another was seriously injured. The prosecution argued that making this turn went against standard training and was highly dangerous. On the other hand, the defence stated that the pilot acted under immense pressure and believed that a sharp turn was the safer option as the plane was headed towards the water. Ultimately, the jury was satisfied beyond reasonable doubt that the pilot's actions were dangerous. Now, if I understand the law correctly, and I may not, the maximum penalty for this offence is up to 14 years imprisonment. Now, in this video, I don't want to comment either positively or negatively on the jury's verdict. Their role is to decide based on the evidence presented to them. I also acknowledge that I've only read media reports about the incident. I don't have access to all of the facts, and any reporting may contain inaccuracies. That said, this kind of prosecution leaves me feeling deeply uncomfortable. The pilot clearly didn't intend the crash or the tragic outcomes. At worst, one could say that he fell far short of what the standard is expected of a pilot in an emergency. And I find myself wondering, how would I have responded in a similar situation? Sharp turns in such scenarios do go against training, and so it's easy to think, well, I wouldn't have done that. But in the heat of the moment, under immense pressure, can I truly be confident of making the right decision? And this also raises some bigger questions. Was this prosecution in the public interest? Does this particular pilot, or pilots in general, need criminal sanctions to act as deterrents? And so could this encourage pilots to better prepare for emergencies? Or does it create undue fear? But then what about the rights of victims and their families? Is criminal prosecution the only way to impose accountability in cases like this? There are no easy answers. And for now, I'll just have to sit with my discomfort and reflect on those complex questions. There's a link to the original news article in the comments below if you want to take a look.